Good day, campers. Today's project is to add a second door latch to the 3-season doors on my toy hauler. We have recently purchased a Can-Am side-by-side. The way we have to load this side-by-side, I cannot get out of the garage through the side doors, so I cannot use the inside latch. So I'm going to add a latch to the outside so that I have the option of either latching it from the inside or the outside. That way I can latch these doors with the side-by-side loaded for travel. So what I have done is I've used my level and made some double sticky tape out of packing tape, and I have the latch installed level, straight with the edges of the door. The inside latch is latched, so these are pulled tight. So my next step will be to drill the holes and install the screws. With all 4 screws drilled and installed, I can now drill and install the screws on the other side. Everything is drilled, everything is mounted. I now have dual latches on my 3-season doors, which allows me to, when we're parked, we can use the inside latch for some level of security. When the side-by-side is loaded and we're traveling, we have the outside latch to keep the doors secured. Thanks for watching, and as always, please remember to like and subscribe.